Good morning.
Good morning.
Please introduce yourself. What is your name?
My name is Charlie. I'm 9 years old. I'm from Vietnam. I'm happy today. I can ride a bike and cook, but I can't fly a horse and fly a kite. I have got long black hair and black eyes. I'm wearing a white and purple
T-shirt.
t-shirt and blue socks.
Shorts. Well done. Okay, let's pick one of your friends. Which one? This one? There you go. Okay, who is she?
This is my friend. Her name is Ruby. She is 6 years old. She is from Mexico.
How does she look like?
She has got long brown hair and brown eyes.
What is she wearing?
She is wearing a blue dress and blue shoes.
Right. What can she do?
She can run, but she can't sing.
Alright, can you click the star? Okay, right, let's choose one of the boys.